Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got a super fun quiz lined up just for you. We'll be diving into 10 questions all about Japanese language. Whether you're a beginner or have been studying Japanese for a while, this quiz will be a great way to test your knowledge and learn something new along the way. So, grab a pen and paper, get ready to jot down your answers, and let's see how well you know Japanese. Alright, let's get started with question 1. What does konnichiwa mean? 1. Thank you. 2. Goodbye. 3. Good afternoon. The correct answer is option 3. Good afternoon. What is the English translation of arigato? 1. Thank you. 2. Sorry. 3. Hello. The correct answer is option 1. Thank you. What is the past tense of iku? 1. Ikamasu. 2. Ita. 3. Iku. The correct answer is option 2. Ita. What is inu in English? 1. Cat. 2. Dog. 3. Bird. The correct answer is option 2. Dog. Which one means kill? 1. Yesterday. 2. Today. 3. Tomorrow. The correct answer is option 2. Today. What does sayonara mean? 1. Goodbye. 2. Thank you. 3. Sorry. The correct answer is option 1. Goodbye. What is the English word for neko? 1. Dog. 2. Cat. 3. Rabbit. The correct answer is option 2. Cat. How do you say thank you in Japanese? 1. Arigato. 2. Konnichiwa. 3. Sayonara. The correct answer is option 1. Arigato. What does ashita mean in English? 1. Yesterday. 2. Today. 3. Tomorrow. The correct answer is option 3. Tomorrow. What is the past tense of taberu? 1. Taveta. 2. Tavamasu. 3. Taveru. The correct answer is option 1. Taveta. Great job, everyone! How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to see how you did. And if you enjoyed today's quiz, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on more fun quizzes and Japanese learning tips. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep studying, and have fun with your Japanese journey.